Coordinates help us to place things in a specific location. Coordinates help us when working with a map or working with a graph to know where things are located. Okay, when we are looking, so it's to find points on a map. Okay, when we're looking at our coordinate plane, it's divided up into 4 quadrants. It goes anti-clockwise. Okay, it doesn't go like this, it goes like this. So quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. Okay, when we are looking at this itself, this line is called the X line, and this one is the Y. Then we always start with 0. Okay, when we go to the right and to the top, it's positive. When we go to the left or to the bottom, it's negative. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we get to this side, it becomes -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5, and the same down here, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Now, let's take, for example, my house is situated at 3 and 3. How that works is if somebody tells me my house is at 3 and 3, what does that mean? We work with coordinates with brackets. They are always inside brackets. It's always the X first and then the Y. What this means is you always check, your first one tells you go on the X line until 3. The second one tells you go 3 on the Y, which is there. So where does this one and this one, where do they meet? Over there. So that's where my house is located. Okay, now let's say the library is at, let's make it -3 and 2. It's written as this, -3 and 2. Then what do I do first? I check -3 on the X and I check 2 on the Y. So there is the library. Now, if I had to go and say, go to the shop to go buy bread. Let's say the shop is located at 4 and -3. You check first 4 on the X, -3 on the Y. That's where the shop is located. If we have something, let's say my mum's house is at -5 and -2, -5 and -2. You check first -5 and then you check -2, and that is where my mum's house is. If they ask you, in what quadrant is my house? My house is in quadrant 1. In which quadrant is the shop? That's 4 and -3. 4 and -3, there's the shop. It's in quadrant 4. If you ask me where's my mum's house, it's in quadrant 3. Okay, and that, my darling, is how coordinates work.